guys, welcome back to Paul the Fox. Today's the big day. I'm super excited. I'm on my way to go pick up a car for Sally. So if all goes well and according to plan, then she's gonna have a badass little Fox. So I'm not gonna say too much until we get down there and let you guys have a look at it. Pretty clean in here. I'm going to obviously just degrease it a little bit, tuck some wires away, remove a few things. Even the little light on the hood still works, which is pretty cool. Also notice that still actually has the cork in behind the air box here, so that's gonna go. Not a fan of the red wires, neither is Sally. I got a nice set of black wires there, so you can change that up, you know, clean up the terminals a little bit. New battery, yeah, little things we're gonna address before we get into the bigger stuff. But the shock towers, frame rails, everything's solid, and that's the most important part. So a little closer look at the interior. It's actually in really good shape. All the panels are decent. Everything's intact. Nothing's cracked. Even the ashtray door works. One of the few, but we're gonna end up switching that out for the LMR cup holder anyways. We're gonna tone down the red and just pull in some black, and starting with the carpet, probably reupholster the seats and have some black and red in it, and yeah, we'll go from there. But the back, super clean as well. Panels mint, rear trays mint. Headliner's in excellent shape. And the little map light is busted, so we're gonna replace that, switch that out. Little things. Just a quick little peek for you guys. Even the trunk is in very good shape. All the panels are in place, which is a bonus. A couple little push plugs missing, but no big deal. Underneath, super clean, so not a whole lot to do, just organized. I think it's missing the little plastic wing nut to hold the spare tire in place, but I'll take a look at that again. But overall, happy with the trunk, very good. All right, that's it for today, guys. It was kind of a mini walk around with some quick hits on what the motor looked like, what the interior looked like. We got some sound bites in there for you. So we just wanted to share what our starting point was. Hope you enjoyed the video. Sally's super happy with the coupe, and we're really looking forward to digging into it. So stay with us. Otherwise, you guys know what to do. Give the video a like, drop in a comment, share it, smash the subscribe button. You guys know we appreciate you watching our videos, and we'll see you again here on Paul the Fox.